kiddos, we ready for math? It's time to get our learning on with some math. Here we go. How many dots do you see? How many dots do you see here? How about here? How many dots are here? And here? And here? How many dots are here? How about here? What about here? How many dots are here? What about these dots? How many of them are there? Well, what about these dots? How many dots are here? How many dots are here? And how many dots are here? How many dots do you see now? And how many dots do you see now? How many dots do you see here? And here? How many dots do you see here? What about here? How many dots are here? And how many dots are here? And how many dots are right here? Good job, guys. All right, it's time to move on to our mountain math. All right, kiddos, you ready? All right, we have number 1. We have 6 green circles and how many green rectangles? 12. So we have 12 plus 6. So let's count. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 12 plus 6 is 18, and we have 18 shapes here all together. Good job. Let's look at number 2. Let's count. 27, 20, 28. That's right. 28, 29, 30, 31. If I started at 31 and I subtracted 4, where would I be? Well, to figure that out, we got to hop backwards. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So where did I land? 27. That's right. All right, let's look at number 3. It says we have 15 clouds here. What sound do you hear at the beginning of the word 15? F, f, f. Did you clip it off? We heard the F, f, f. So 15. All right, let's look at number 4. How many dots do you see over here? That's right, there's 8. And how many do you see over here? There's 6. So is 8 less than, greater than, or equal to 6? That's right, 8 is greater than. And that greater gator is going to have his mouth open to the side with the most dots because he wants to eat the most food. All right, let's look up here at number 3. I meant number 5. But what number is that? Why did Miss Wendy mess that up? It's a 3, right? So a 3, and what number's over here? A 3. So is 3 less than, equal to, greater than or equal to 3? It's equal to, isn't it? So you should have picked that one right there. All right, let's look at this. How many carrots do we have here? 5 carrots. How many carrots do we have over here? 4 carrots. And are we adding or are we subtracting? Ooh, we are adding. That's a plus sign, and a plus sign means we add. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 plus 4 equals 9. That's right. Good job. All right. Let's look at number 7. How many cameras do you see here? There's 9 cameras. That's right. And how many cameras do we see over here? 7. So we have 9 here, and we have 7 here. And do we add or subtract? What's that symbol mean? Yeah, that symbol means that we're going to subtract or take away. So let's mark out 7 cameras. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many cameras do we have left? 2. That's right. So 2 is our answer. 9 minus 7 equals 2. All right, let's look at number 8. Sarah made 10 cupcakes for the party. So there's a 10. 2 had blue frosting, and the rest had pink frosting. How many cupcakes had pink frosting? So if we know that 2 were blue, let's subtract 2 from 10. So let's start at 10, and we're going to count backwards 2. 10, 9, 8. And where did we get to? 8. So 10 minus 2 is 8. So if 2 of them had blue frosting, then how many had pink frosting? 8. That's right. Good job, kiddos. That was a super hard problem. Let's look up here at number 9. And the number at the top of our mountain is a 9. So we have an 8 here, and what should we put here? What plus 8 is going to equal 9? A 1, that's right. So 8 plus 1 is 9. All right, let's look at number 10. How many dots do we have in our tens frame? Just 1. And how many do we need to fill up the rest of the frame? Ooh, that was a hard one. 9. We need 9 more, don't we? All right, let's look at number 11. How many strawberries do we have? Well, we filled up one whole tens frame, so we should put a 1 here. And how many do we have left over? 1. And so that makes the number 11. Good job. All right, let's look up here at number 12. What is that thing right there? That's right, it's an umbrella. And what do we use an umbrella for? Yeah, and so this umbrella, what are 3 words you could use to describe this umbrella? Yeah. Okay, let's look down here at number 13. What shape is this? It's got 3 sides and 3 corners. It is a triangle. And is it a flat shape or a solid shape? It's a flat shape, isn't it? Well, let's look at these shapes here on number 14. This one has 6 sides. Do you remember what we call a 6-sided shape? Do you remember? It's not a hexagon. I'm going to let you think about it. Oh, it is a hexagon, actually. It is a hexagon. For some reason, I was thinking something else. But it is a hexagon, guys. I'm sorry. That is a hexagon. Is it a flat shape or a solid shape? It's a flat shape. And this is a square. And it has how many sides? 4 sides. And how many corners? Has 4 corners. Good job. Okay, what is this thing right here called? It's called a graph. And what do we use a graph for? We use it to organize information. And today we're looking at the different kind of sports balls that we have in the gym. And so remember these hashtags? We count those that have the line across them by 5s. So volleyballs, there's 5, 10, 15. And in footballs, there's 5, 10. And basketballs, there's 5, but we can't count those by 5s. We count those by 1s. 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 basketballs. So 7 basketballs, 10 footballs, and 15 volleyballs. So how many volleyballs were there? Yeah, there were 15. Which kind of ball do we have the least amount of? Which one has the less? Basketballs has less. That's right. Good job, guys. Let's look up here at number 16. We have 2 pennies, and pennies are worth what? 1 cent. Penny, penny, easily spent. Copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. So we have 2 of those, so we just count by 1s. 1, 2, and so we know that's 2. And then we have a dime. Dime, dime, little and thin. I know that. You're worth 10. So it's 10. So we say 2 plus 10 is what? So 10, 11, 12. So 2 plus 10 is 12. So how much change do we have? We have 12 cents. Good job, guys.